She's waking me up with all that snoring. Guess I'll have to deal with it. Oh my gosh! The foot! No! Oh, she done it now. She's sleeping so peacefully. Whatever. Me? No! I don't want to be flower girl. Now look, you turn into a flower girl.